Okay, here's the latest windmill I've made. This is over my planter where I've got the tomato plants at. But anyway, it moves really good and just very light winds. As you can see on the chime down there in the bottom, the wind chime down here, there's very little wind going on. Still, the windmill keeps moving pretty good. Again, wish I had some better wind to show it in, but right now it's rather calm, but still it moves even in fairly calm weather. I used, there comes a little bit of a breeze. I used recycled 2-liter pop bottle tops for the cones on the bottom, and then at the top of it I've put this low polygon 3D printed helix cone at the top, so not only are the pop bottle tops down here powering it, but that helix at the top actually helps power the windmill. So anyway, turned out good. Very bright, of course, but anyway, kind of neat. Just a little decoration I put on my flower bed. Not flower bed, but a tomato bed.